Thanks for joining us, everyone. I'm Ann McGill.
And I'm Raphael James. The Medical University of South Carolina, Orangeburg, will expand their specialty care program, specifically focusing on sickle cell disease.
Live 5's Caroline Spikes tells us how one doctor thinks this will positively impact people who live in that area.
I think it's going to make them feel as if somebody cares again. I always call them the orphans of hematology.
Dr. Chris Brunson, the medical director of hematology oncology, says adults who have sickle cell disease often don't get the same level of care as kids with the illness because there is not as much specialized adult care as there is in pediatrics. With this expansion, they hope to accommodate more patients so providers can pinpoint what is wrong and treat their pain earlier rather than having them suffer through an hour-and-a-half drive to Charleston.
Part of treating a painful episode is educating the patient and the family so that they know what to do at home, and then when that doesn't suffice, when to call to come into the clinic or day hospital for fluids and pain medications.
Because sickle cell disease is more common among people of African descent and Orangeburg has a predominantly black population, Brunson's department saw an even greater need for support and care. Being in a rural community of the Low Country, they see transportation as one of their biggest barriers.
We have noticed is that we have a patient who needs to be seen by pulmonology, or they need sickle cell treatment, or they need podiatry, things that are just special, is that you're having to wait 2 and 3 and 4 weeks to get them an appointment because there's nothing here.
The program director for the hematology oncology department, Hope Shea, said this extra care will help close that gap.
We care about this community, we care about our patient needs, and we want to meet those patients where they are.
The care is now offered on Mondays and Fridays, but come September, it will be expanded to all weekdays with acute care services like pain management or blood transfusions. Find more details on this web story. Reporting in Orangeburg, Caroline Spikes, Live 5 News.